Tired of high blood pressure and being told to just take more pills? What if I told you that your next meal could be part of the cure? These 6 everyday foods don't just taste good, they help lower blood pressure naturally, and I'll show you how to use them step by step. Where we believe that food, lifestyle, and knowledge are the true medicine.
If you don't like boring diets but still want to feel amazing, then you're in the right place. We make wellness fun, easy, and totally doable. Stick around to see how. Welcome to the Healing Path, your new spot for natural health and wellness that actually fits your real life. Today, we're diving into foods that heal. Think leafy greens, juicy berries, and crunchy nuts. These foods are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and all the good stuff your body craves. But it's not just about what you eat. Tiny changes make a huge difference. Drink more water, get outside for a quick walk, and remember to breathe. Wellness is a journey, not a race, so start small and celebrate every step. Love this kind of content? Hit that subscribe button and join our community of wellness seekers. There's so much more to come. Healing foods, easy tips, and feel-good vibes every week. Your path to feeling amazing starts right now.
Let's jump in. 1. Bananas. Quick and easy BP support. Bananas are one of the easiest ways to add potassium to your diet, helping reduce the stiffness of blood vessel walls. How to take it. 1 medium banana per day, as a snack or post-workout. Slice into oatmeal or blend into a smoothie. Choose ripe bananas for better digestion. Tip: pair with a handful of nuts for a blood sugar-friendly snack. 2. Leafy greens. Nature's potassium. Powerhouse spinach, kale, arugula, Swiss chard, all packed with potassium and magnesium. These minerals help your body flush out excess sodium and relax your blood vessels. How to take it. Add 1 to 2 cups of raw greens to your daily smoothie or salad. Steam or sauté them lightly with garlic and olive oil for dinner. Aim for at least 4 to 5 servings a week. According to the American Heart Association, potassium helps your kidneys eliminate sodium, a key player in blood pressure control. 3. Beets, the natural blood vessel. Relaxer. Beets are loaded with nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes and dilates blood vessels. How to take it. Juice 1 medium beet daily, or roast them with olive oil. Mix beet powder into smoothies or water before workouts. Drink beet juice in the morning or 2 hours before exercise. Watch out. Beets can lower blood pressure fast. If you're on BP meds, talk to your doctor. 4. Fatty fish, omega-3. Rich. Superfood. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and help arteries stay flexible. How to take it. Eat 2 to 3 servings per week, grilled or baked. Avoid frying. It adds unhealthy fats. Add lemon, garlic, and herbs for flavor without salt. A meta-analysis in the Journal of Hypertension showed regular omega-3 intake could reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. 5. Dark chocolate, a guilt-free heart. Booster dark chocolate, at least 70% cacao, is rich in flavonoids, which help improve blood vessel function and reduce pressure. How to take it. Eat 1 to 2 small squares, 10 to 15 grams, daily after meals. Don't go overboard. Moderation is key. Combine with berries or nuts for a heart-healthy treat. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that dark chocolate can lower systolic BP by 3 to 4 points. 6. Low-fat yogurt, Gut Plus. Heart Hero. Yogurt is a great source of calcium, potassium, and probiotics, all of which help reduce blood pressure and support vascular health. How to take it. 1 cup per day, unsweetened and low-fat. Add fruit, cinnamon, or flaxseed instead of sugar. Use it as a base for smoothies or salad dressings. Probiotics in yogurt also reduce inflammation and improve gut health, which plays a role in BP regulation. So to recap, leafy greens, Flush sodium, add potassium bananas. Easy daily potassium fix fatty fish. Omega-3s for your heart. Beets, boost nitric oxide naturally. Dark chocolate, enjoy in moderation. Yogurt, calcium plus probiotics equals strong. BP support. Bonus tip, reduce processed salt, drink more water, and move your body daily for even better results. If you're serious about lowering your blood pressure the natural way, start adding these 6 foods to your weekly routine. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to The Healing Path, and share this with someone you love. Comment below, which of these foods do you already eat, and what works for you? More natural healing videos are coming every week. See you in the next one.